Hey food lovers, 5 crazy good chocolate mug cakes in just 1 minute. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment and hit that subscribe button on Jarif's Kitchen for more viral treats. Let's get started.
Craving a cake? I've got 5 mind-blowing cake recipes you can make in just 60 seconds. Let's dive in. 1 chocolate mug cake mix. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons sugar. Add 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave for 60 seconds. Done. 2 vanilla sponge cake. Beat 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons sugar. Add 4 tablespoons flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, vanilla. Bake at 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. Soft and fluffy. 3 Red Velvet Cupcake mix. 3 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa. Add 3 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon oil, red color. Microwave for 70 seconds. Perfect. 4 banana oats cake mash. 1 banana, 3 tablespoons oats, 2 tablespoons honey. Add 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 90 seconds. Healthy and tasty. 5 Oreo Cake. Crush 10 Oreos. Add a 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 1 minute. The easiest cake ever. Which one will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more quick recipes. Can't get enough cake? Here are 5 more viral cake recipes you can whip up in under a minute. 6 coffee mug cake. Mix 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon coffee powder. Add 3 tablespoons milk, 2 teaspoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Coffee lover's dream. 7 carrot cake. Grate 1/2 carrot. Add 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar. Add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Bake microwave 90 seconds. So good. 8 Nutella mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons Nutella, 3 tablespoons milk, 1 egg. Mix well. Microwave 60 seconds. Gooey and perfect. 9 lemon mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 teaspoons sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 60 seconds. Fresh and zesty. Coconut cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 desiccated coconut, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 60 seconds. Tropical delight. Which flavor do you want to try next? Comment and smash that subscribe button for more quick cake recipes.
Still craving cakes? Here's another 5 viral cakes you can make in under 1 minute. 1 apple cinnamon mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons chopped apple, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Warm, fruity, and cozy. 2 strawberry mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons strawberry puree, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Sweet and juicy. 3 chocolate lava cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Gooey surprise inside. 4 mango mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons mango puree, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Tropical treat 5 peanut butter mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 3 tablespoons milk, 1 egg. Microwave 60 seconds. Nutty and rich. Which one will you bake today? Comment and hit that subscribe button for more delicious 60-second recipes.